Alright, boys and girls, I figured I'd shoot over here with the Evo 2 for a minute on my way back from the trail. So I'm taking a little pit stop. I just wanted to bring the Evo 2 to shoot a little video over here. Mini 2 over here once. Okay, so now I'm noticing that the obstacle avoidance comes on every time, it restarts every time you restart the drone. Okay, so I was wondering what the hell was going on with that. So every time you restart the drone, it resets that as on, whether you like it or not.
Remote control and mobile phone disconnected.
It keeps disconnecting the app for some reason. I don't know if it's the cable or... Okay, so there it came back. I don't know what the hell, why is it I keep doing that? I have no idea. I'm definitely gonna have to get another cable and figure it out, because that's not good. You know, you don't want that happening. Tried to do like a droney, but man, that thing was going all cockeyed and every other damn thing. Look at this old ass stuff. I can hear a jet up there. I'm sure he's more than 200 feet away. I'm sure he's more than 167 feet high.
Remote control and the aircraft disconnected. Remote control and mobile phone disconnected.
God damn it. I don't know why this keeps happening, but it's going to really prevent me from being able to see over this factory. I can tell you that right now. I'm going to have to get another cable. Obviously, this cable's crapola. Okay. So every time I do it, I have to Of course, I'm having a hard time seeing up there in the sky because of the sun, the glare. Well, I wanted to fly it further, but I don't trust this cable now. So I'm just going to bring it back and get a new cable. See what happens with the next cable.
Remote control and mobile phone disconnected.
I mean, I'm sure that even if well, there it is, it disconnected again, so. All right, so anyway. Okay, well, the video stopped anyway, so it doesn't matter. All right, guys, there you go. Evo 2 cable's acting up, so I'm gonna have to get another damn cable. Okay, so it is what it is. All right, guys, have a nice day.